So, a customer of ours has brought in this custom built computer in a little bit of a state, see if we can tidy up these cables, but the main reason is to install this RX 6600 graphics card. So we're going to give it a general health check, replace thermal paste, give it a bit of a hoover, because as you can see it's not bad, but it is a bit grim and dusty, and I'm going to try and tidy up some of these cables as well. Just give it a general driver update, BIOS update, and see what's clicking behind. He did say there was a problem. He said he tried installing this graphics card, but there was no output, so we'll see what happens. So the bad boy is in, he's all installed, all screwed in, all plugged in. Ignore the cables, we're going to sort it out afterwards. The main reason is to see if this PC will actually boot on our testing monitor over there. Here we go. Let's give it a truth. I haven't done this yet. Where's the power on button? Ready? 3, 2, 1. And after a little while, it's booted. Now it's booted into automatic repair. Let's see what the issue is and see if we get any blue screens. Might just be a corrupt Windows, might be a relatively old driver issue. So we've run into a few problems. I'm just gonna see if this little trick might work. We'll see. So we're in, we did system restore. The only problem is I had to put the old graphics card back in. For some reason it won't let me do a system restore with the new graphics card, which I'm hoping that's because of drivers. But at least we are back into Windows. The customer actually stated that you couldn't get into Windows at all. Okay, moment of truth. New graphics card in, system restore done. Is it gonna boot? Booted into automatic system recovery or whatever it's called. Continue to Windows 10. Moment of truth. Yay! So, that's good. Screen's a bit out of ratio, that's fine. We'll sort out of driver updates. We're going to remove all the old crap from the old graphics card, reinstall all new stuff, give the system a little clean, clear all the cache, all the random stuff on that. See if there's a bad boy BIOS update for this. But hey, it's on and it's working. Okay, so the next step is give it a clean. I've already done a bit of cable management. As you can see, this was all really messy. It's a bit hard on the extreme you can go to, because unfortunately it's not the best case, but you know, it's looking to have a lot better. As you can see, loads of dust and grim. Let's get this money shot. Ready? Oh my god, look at that. Ugh. That is like proper grim. And as you can see, the thermal paste, I've sinned bloody. Ugh. Anyway, let's get that off. Let's sort this out. Let's reapply some nice thermal paste. And we're coming with a nice dollop of some thermal paste. Usually I do this standing down, but I mean, I'm not going to this time. I probably put on a bit too much, but hey, all's good in the hood. And there we have it. Everything is all sorted. Fans clean, thermal paste, cable management, new graphics card, loads of dust and everything removed. Might upgrade offer to say, hey, you may need a new case because it is looking a bit shabby here and there. But yeah, everything works fine. Temperatures are absolutely fine. It is kind of cool to see though. Like, this is the old graphics card. I don't even know what this is. You know, look at this ribbon. That's pretty old. And now he's gone for a nice graphics card, which, you know, will sort him out nicely. He's not a massive gamer, but it would do him fine for a little while. And there we go. That's it. Job done.